Hello my people, it is your boy Nextking Celebrity TV and you are highly welcome to another interesting video on my channel. In today's video, a guy that was flawed in the name of money ritual meet traditional native Dr. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki to help him. Try to listen to this video so you will not fall this kind of mugu. Just in a few minutes, I will review to you important thing you need to know or learn in this video, and get ready to hear from the horse's mouth in no distant time. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki have made us to understand that there is nothing like money ritual, but some people still not understand what traditional native doctor Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki mean. OKE-ITE CHARM do not work for lazy people. In today's video, two guys went a journey of money ritual. One is from Kogi State and the other one may be from Anambra State. This is their story as they went to do money making ritual without knowing there is nothing like money ritual. Before I continue, click on the red subscribing button to subscribe and click on the bell icon to notify you of my interesting videos like this, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. God bless you. Beware of scammers. As Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki asked them, "Why do you come to his house?" And one of them said, there is a place they went to do money making ritual and they have spent almost 900,000 naira just to do money ritual, and the babalawo made money to appear, and he told them before they will carry this money, they need to bring 1.5 million to miss the money, or they will bring an elderly man to carry it so that the money will not disappear. Let me tell you, a good man is always a good man. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki is a good traditional native doctor. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki tell them that this babalawo is a 419 magician. I do not know if they can believe Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki and save their life. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki revealed to them whatever thing this babalawo said, even when Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki is not with them. The day they went to see this babalawo for money making ritual. For some pastor that is saying that OKE-ITE CHARM is a blood money ritual, there is nothing like money ritual. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki said. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki said he opened a box and you do not see any money, and he placed a red cloth on the box. After some incantation, he opened the box and you guys see money, but he tell you to bring 1.5 million so you can carry the money. This is a 419. The money is not real. There is something I want you to learn in this video, because no one is above mistake. Before you hear from the horse's mouth, do you know these guys do not believe Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki, and Akwa tell them that after they bring this 1.5 million, the babalawo will tell them to bring another money so that the money will last for them. But it's not real money. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki tell them, if they meet the babalawo, tell him to give you the money so that you will give him 1.5 million. You will see the babalawo will run, because it's not real money. The more you look, the less you see. But he will do example of what this babalawo did that made you guys to believe it's real money. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki warned them not to go and borrow money to give this babalawo. Stop all this nonsense you guys are doing. Find your destiny. He will prepare OKE-ITE CHARM for you, CHARM for progress, so you guys will prosper. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki, you are a good native doctor, because there is nothing like money ritual. It's a 419. In no distant time, Igbo language of this video will take over. But later, you guys will call Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki and tell him that what he said about this babalawo is true. But for him to give you guys money so you will go and carry that box is a lie, because he know this is a 419. Actually, these guys do not have any money to go back to their base, because this very issue had made them lose their job. Even the guy from Anambra State said that he is working at Cubana Hotel in Abuja, that he abandoned his business just to go and do money ritual. Imagine. And he said that his friend from Kogi State introduced him to this babalawo. As you are about to watch Igbo language of this video, please click on the red subscribing button to subscribe and click on the bell icon to notify you of my interesting videos like this, and also give this video a thumbs up as you hear from the horse's mouth.
Nah, my guy, what thing carry you come to my side? Talk louder.
What thing carry us come to say?
Yeah, check on the level. What thing carry you come?
What thing carry us come to say?
Talk louder.
What thing carry us come to say? We get where we go 1 or 2. So as we come finish, so to come carry the money come out, come be problem. So this is come be a serious issue because the initial time say we no go miss am. So the council will go miss am. So we don't reach there. We don't already pay the money. The next day.
How much should I pay?
We don't waste money almost close to 900,000. No dey mistake.
So what thing the man work for now?
He work to make
When I get money.
no, he don't even do himself. The money appear. So
Okay, in do money. Yeah, in work for now.
Yes.
When I see money and the money appear for on her face.
For the shrine there. So the problem now is saying that to carry on. So call the waka and they said the money will take me some now 1.5.
Okay, after when I don't spend 900,000.
Almost.
Okay,
Even though
you can't tell when I go still bring 1.5 million.
To mix the money.
Okay, to mix the money.
So I will fit carry am so that because we can't like that. So in a spirit money say no be go chop am, so another person will chop am, but to mix the money before we go fit carry am.
Okay, but into the money, when I see the money.
Yes, even the
for boss.
For boss, they carry am out for us.
Okay, what thing carry you to come my side now?
When you come, the issue be say, because before we come, get one man where the access to, say make him carry the money come out for us. So now you see, now entirely person could carry am. So in process of the man making carry the money, the man fall. He come outside fall, come out for the shrine fall. He can't even vomit blood. So they can't try make we rescue the man. The man say the other is supposed to go buy goat before the man go feed there okay. So now the no company we can't go back to Abuja. As we come to Abuja, me and they communicate so I go feel fine with. And you one day now I can't dream. So as I dream now you I can't see for the dream. So
okay, you can't dream, but do you know me for the first time?
I didn't know you, but I saw you on phone. Because that day we don't do everything. Like that our phone we they use, big phone we they use. So we see you on phone. So we can't talk safe. So no, I help for.
Okay, you see me for dream.
Yeah, I can't see you for.
You say na me go help you give you that 1.5. Make you go bring the money.
What I dream be say for the dream, as we come meet you. No be say na money you carry give us or anything. But I dream say as we come, now you fortify us. So I go carry the money. So and the instruction way they give us for the dream they say as we they go, say to carry the money go out, but if we carry them, make we no open them to come back here.
Okay.
To come back here, but I just know so now you be the main person who help us who carry the money, who will carry the money for the dream. So even as you even help us out way so.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kogi State.
Kogi, and in Kogi where when I work the thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nah, that's why you work, no. Bia kwa like Ivesima.
Kifeshime una
na kwusi ogwu ike.
the man obera onya kọwara maka the man. So ga ulobele gonshi ndara sima
Ego na ka gada.
Ndara like 200 for the first time.
Total money ekwu ebe ahụ ego.
Mbuzo nyego dia like 200.
Total money bụ ego na aya chọrọ ka nye.
I don't know now man that actual money need to their man now.
Mana olugo 1 million.
It's
Close to 1 million.
Yes.
Okay. Ongwa ya no need ego.
Yes.
Una tell her you una need money.
Yes.
Making double money for una.
Yes.
Okay. Later. Olie unu ebe onalo unu almost 1 million na. Sizu njeje wota about 1.5 million ka ewe mi si edi ego.
Yes.
Na opo nu na emere na unu ya nwa kwa iwa gwo unu.
Na wo na anyị ya mana di ego. Obunya anyị di ego. Di ego owo anyị go anyị di because di wo na anyị mi so yi di aka ndị aka dị na di ego. So ya wo di. So can you ego yemi ego anyị di emi si so that can they go dizi okay na wo our sweat.
Oh, we even check one. You get what I want to tell you. That thing we una go for that kogi na wayo. But una no go believe am. But na me wey dey the game go tell una. Nothing like ritual. Nothing like that thing. Income close boss. Una no see okay, income open boss, una no see anything.
No.
Wait. In letter, open the inquiry led something. Wait. In letter open the thing, una see money. Wait. For the first time, una no see money for the boss.
Yes.
No, wait.
Wait. Now me go tell you.
Okay,
First of all, in open the boss, una no see any money.
Yes.
For the boss.
Yes.
Income letter do
Money come.
una can't see money.
Yes.
Enter you say as now money don't come. Una need to bring this thing before una go carry the money. No be what he tell you.
Yes.
Okay. I want to tell you something. All this kind thing. Now why you? If you want, I will do them for you now. I will carry bus. Come. I will do them. You go see the money. Later, the man go tell una. See what he go tell una. Make una bring another money after this 1.5 una want to bring. Because that thing no be real. If you not real, tell her make you give you the money. Make you follow for that money, give her money. You go see him go run.
so can
You will not believe,
Wait.
but na me go tell you.
Alright, sir.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. But I will show the example what he do for una. Make una believe. Don't go and borrow money. Don't go and borrow money to go do that thing. That thing na wayo. No be real. Stop this kind thing una they do. Find your destiny and work hard. And do our favor. Things will be better for you. Nothing like that thing. That thing na wayo. But as I talk to una now, una no believe. But later, una go call me, tell me, say, Akwa, everything you talk na true. And again, if you now to me to give una money, make una go carry the thing. I know they help that kind help. Because of I know the thing na wayo. I know fit do am. So any question?
Sir, as far as you don't talk, say, the major problem now is because this thing now don't make us lose our work today.
I know.
And now, even our house rent, you don't even expire 30.
He give you an assignment.
He give us many assignments, no we do.
For Madu.
Because someone
Go. Okay, now I be here what you about. Okay, man, I'll go about you, but me. Okay.
so one from his only a month as almost.
Akwa Okuko. Why mad ye ji we wo the wire?
Assurance
That thing wire odolore. When ka ogba na ya saru ego. Onwe ka agba na asaru ego. No buta akpati bluzo mepe mesie mechie ton wa de akpati. So efu ego mana onwe akwa okpupasara nene. Okpupasara akwa mana wait. First of all, mepe de akpati. Efu no nwere ego do n'ime. Emesie o mepe ozo efu ego n'ime. O wesu na ego abịago n'ime. All if ogba gujeje chobazi ego ka iwe bulie. O echoba ofu elderly man.
yes.
Okwivu aka ogba o wayo. Ka ọ bụ na ihe ekweta ike okwu adọrọ m mana aka ka na-enye ka alapụkwa ihe na-arụkwa ụmụ na ife ihe eme ife ọbụla ọsọ ya eme o asị nwere ife ya eme o na n'ibe na-ekwu Obona amano agba sa ya nyekwa je ego na echozi ma nka adro ncho no ekwe mana obu na okwele ogbazie nkete karịkwa na natakwa mmadụ 1.5 ti ikwe n'elu ya wayo ka ya lakwa egwu ọzọ kwa ya akwụkwọ agụ wetakwa ego ọzọ. Be careful. Ife awayo miti echi na asa ka ọ gwa oke ịbịa kwee nkwa ka ụzọ mepere ịbịa kene mmụọ ọnwụkwazi ife ndị ọzọzi anyị akpa leta ọ ya agwazi ife ya agwa. My brother, that thing wey una dey do na wayo. Stop doing that kind thing for your friend because of tomorrow. If you do am to your friend go later know say you are not a good person. He go start fight with you. Sir? Because say that thing no be legit.
Sir, as I be like this now, I'm in front of strong man, and I can still go even though he carry anything come, see like I take and swear.
Why you no do am for yourself? You can't tell her to do am.
Based on say me, I no get money for hand.
Okay, you no get money, but you like money.
I no get money for hand to pay.
But you like money. Why you no go borrow money for another person? Go do the thing. Why you come tell her to do am? Later now, una go share the money and leave the guy.
So now why I tell you na your front idea as a strong man. If you carry anything come now to tell you,
I no go give you anything.
If I know about say na 419, make it be like this for me. Because in say we do make our life better. You no do make we stop person. You understand? So I not did anything.
Go beg this guy because wait, una money don't go. We say una money don't go. All these kind things, I know all of them. Nothing like that. After this guy, after Intel and say make him bring 1.5 again. If him bring, I go tell and say make him bring another money. Nothing like that. I have seen everything like that before. So all this kind of thing na wayo, na me go tell you. Later now, I go tell una na this thing where una no do, na him cause this thing when you no work. Na what you go tell una later. So you hear me?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Make una dey go. Anything else?
No problem, sir. I also God cares. I don't know anything. Maybe say na wayo or this thing.
Bia na ife ọ na-ekwu. Ọ sị na ọ mara na ife nwa bụ 419. Ị na-aghọta? Mana ka isi mara onye a?
Oh no, because the more na roro na Grand Cubana, Obi Cubana hotel.
Okay, na Grand Cubana. Na nke Lagos. Abuja ko na. Okay. Ọkụ na alụ ọrụ na nke Cubana. Ọ na hustle and bustle.
Grand Cubana Gongo.
Okay, Grand Cubana. Ebe a ko na alụ ọrụ wela ni e o.
So ebe a ko na we bidozi ọrụ ya fuzim. Ogazi muso. So we are covering some things. Only they help from yourself.
Only they help in a year.
So usually what they are causing such a thing. Let's say I'm interested. The man like it.
Oh wow, it's an interested. Oh, first about.
Does he no go video? Because you need to pay the matter. You see, okay. On your number demand. Not demand. Okay, now your number demand. No number demand. I'm not demand. Crazy now. You see, I'm not interested. I'm not convincing. So, to the extent in fact, the matter I mean. I only play 1 month, even not judge to that month. So before then,
Manonya, but we don't know the man.
Yes.
Why you say you know involved, but you say now you carry and go for the man house?
That is something I say. Try make I explain for you. I'm not talking. I don't know the man. I know.
Okay, saying, you know the man very well.
Hey, they do this work for people. You understand? Now I say if you even carry anything for me, say make I say I know about how I plan with them. Make you do many things. Say I am ready because. Now himself, they follow, they feed me.
So, as evidence now, do you know the person where you do am for her before? Do you know as if he carry you, tell you so make you go show him the people where you do this kind of thing before and didn't work for them. So can you shorty us to go there?
People where you do for that village when I did.
Do you know them? Yes or no?
I don't say I know them one-on-one.
You don't know them one-on-one. They say from them. You say they're from Anambra here.
Those things are agent of the. I know everything.
So you can now one of you can go now go talk everything she will be doing. So from there now I was that. So the man there now the money was so from there now see make talk guys will do the
as soon as we can make a go ta
one men when it all those come now you go to the things I told me many things now you go to because
on our ego nka gent ka ngbazie OKE-ITE promogo ọ bụ ụzọ so ni weta ego nka were register wee gbafọ mana ọgwa na-eje wee gota material ya ejero dị ọ na-awa ego nke izi mesikwa na-awa ego nke bụ mesikwa na-awa ego nke ntụ aka ozi atụrụ ego o wee fụ na inwe ego nya ka o ji wee chọzie na 1.5 cash ọzọzie bụ 5 million ka ọ ya agwa ife ya achụ ka a sizie na ime nwụrụ dị 10 ka o wee rie ego ifochi ime and ọgwa ụnụ so na ọ bụ na ụnụ emerie ma ọ bụ na nke emere na emesie na ụnụ ya ata afụ n'ụwa na ọ dị ọgwa mana ọgwa yiri ụso na ọ bụ na iburu ego afọ ọ bụ na iburu ego afọ mana ya mana imere ife niile na amụna infusion ife nwa ya eme ọkwa ife ọgwa
mana mburu
no problem.